Step 3. Create a 3D sun path using Sun Diagram plugin. To create a 3D sun path based on the project's location coordinates, you'll need the Sun Diagram plugin. If you don't have it yet, you can install it directly in SketchUp as follows. Search for Sun Diagram on the extension warehouse directly within SketchUp. Then install it, and you can start using it right away. Okay, done. Now we can see the toolbar of the Sun Diagram plugin. Use the first feature to create the 3D sun path. I checked on timeanddate.com, and Spain doesn't observe daylight saving time. So I'll select No for the DST option in the Create Sun Path panel. In regions that use daylight saving time, you should enable the DST option for more accurate results. However, you'll need to upgrade to the Sun Diagram Pro version to activate this feature. Move and scale the 3D sun path to fit your view. That's perfectly fine, as it won't affect the shadow results. Select the display style of the diagram using the fourth feature of Sun Diagram. Here, I want a bright style diagram, so I'll choose Style 01.